Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to customize your home screen. So if no app is open, your home screen will appear by default. Your main home screen shows date, weather, and a few apps. So I'm gonna show you some ways to change or customize your Android home screen. First is you go to settings. And in settings, just type on the search bar, home screen. Just tap the home screen. And here you can have two options. It's the classic one or the one with app drawer. So the classic one is like this one. And if you go back to the settings, this one will be the app drawer. So you can also manage app by categories. You can change the backgrounds. And you can also change the layout. Scroll bar. If we try to use it, so this one will go. If you swipe up, you can see on the upper part that there's a different tabs like communication, entertainment, photography, tools, news, shopping, lifestyle. And you can also customize this one. And if you open the Play Store, you can also search many apps that is available. Just type the Android home screen and just search one and try one that you preferred. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!